In your folder where you created your video, let's take the title folder that we just created with the Apocalypse After Effects, and let's take that folder and drag it into your main folder that has the video in it. So let's go to Premiere Pro and let's do a File, Adobe Dynamic Link, Import After Effects Composition. Let's find that title folder and then find the apocalypse.aep. I'm going to select the top one and click OK. It's right here, and I'm going to drag it and drop it on the timeline. Now, when I brought it into the timeline, it's bigger than the video. That's okay. We can scale it down, select it, and in the Effects Control panel, let's take the scale and drag it to the left until we see the background, and then bring it back out to the right a little bit. Press play to make sure it works inside of the Premiere Pro program. And it does. Okay, so now we got to put it in the right spot. I'm going to go to the left a little bit to get to the end of the title. I can press the left arrow key until I get to where I want to go, to the end of the title. Where is it? There we go, right there. Then I can go to the right a little bit, to right there. Get the razor tool and cut that, and then delete the rest on the right side. I want this to end when we see the Earth, and this wave right here happens right when this starts. So there's kind of a hit in the music when the title shows, which gives it more impact. Now, it's not exactly perfectly right there. If I move it to the left a little bit and like a fraction here, it's going to look better. I'm going to drag this to the left a little bit so it goes with that hit. Then come over here, and I want to get this video to go to the left a little bit so we don't have a pause of black before we see the Earth. I tried that approach and it didn't work visually, but in order to do that, we need to bring all the other tracks to the left too. So if I open this up so we can see what we have in here, I can click and select all these tracks and then zoom back in again, and then come over here to drag it to the left. Now, when I do that, that might mess up the area where the music changes to the softer piano over here, but it's not that much. But it does change the end of the music, though. I want to drag the music to end when the video ends. This lesson will continue in the next video.